Cesar from Apple Chevrolet. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use voice commands to make your life easier. All you have to do is push this button. Once you push it, you can say like dial any contact or dial any phone number. So in this case, I'm push it.
OnStar ready.
Dial.
Dial. Using OnStar hands-free calling, please say the entire number you would like to dial. You can also say cancel or goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.
And if you want to redial that same phone number, all you have to do is just push that button again and just say redial, and then the voice assistant will just redial the last number you called. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Please give a video a like and comment if you guys have any questions. Thank you.